Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Wajid. I am your mathematics teacher. So today we will be continuing with the last class. See, in last class we have completed until 10th question. Okay, so today we will be doing the 11th and 12th question. So see here, 11th question. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Okay, the sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. So what is the age of each one of them? Okay, here a student is there, that is Baichung. Okay, his name is Baichung. So if you take that, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 26 years older than Baichung. Okay, younger mean minus, older mean plus. Okay, clear? See here, if we take the Baichung's present age is x, if we take. Okay, now see, we will discuss here. Let Baichung's age will be the x years. Then Baichung's father's age is x plus 29 years. Okay, now Baichung's grandfather age. Baichung's grandfather age is 26 older than Baichung's father. Baichung's father's age. So Baichung's father's age is x plus 29. So his grandfather age is plus 26. Okay. Now see here, if we add all these three, so the sum of the three ages is 135. So x plus 29 plus x plus 29 plus 26. Okay. So here x plus 29, x plus 29 plus 26. This is Baichung's, this is his father, this is his grandfather, is equal to 135. If we add this one, x plus x is 3x, 29 plus 29 plus 26 is 84. Okay, is equal to 135. Clear? So 3x is equal to 135 minus this plus 84 comes this side, mean minus 84. So 3x is equal to 135 minus 84 is 51. Both sides divided by 3, we'll be getting the answer is 17. 51 by 3 is 17. So x is equal to 17 years. So this is only Baichung's age. Baichung's age is 17 years old. Then Baichung's father age is 17, x plus 29 we take here. Baichung's father age is x plus 29. So here also 17 plus 29 is equal to 46. Then after that, Baichung's grandfather age, x plus 29 plus 26. So x is here 17. So 17 plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 72 years. Clear? This is the question number 11. Now we will discuss the question number 12. See here, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Okay, what is Ravi's present age? Ravi's age, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be the 4 times his present age. Okay, so present age, if we take x, 15 years from now mean x plus 15. Okay, that is equal to 4 times to present age. Present age is x, so that is 4. So 4x. So here we have to take the equation as 4x is equal to x plus 15, like that we have to take. See here. Okay. See, let Ravi's present age be x years. After 15 years, Ravi's age will be the 4x years. Okay, mean this is equal to after 15 years. So 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be x plus 15. Okay, so 4x is equal to x plus 15. This plus x will become this side, so it will be minus x. This is 15. So 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 15. So both, if we divide by 3 both sides, so 3 ones are 3 5s are, so x is equal to 5. So hence, so Ravi's present age is 5 years. Understood? See here once again, 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Present age we took as a x. 15 years from now mean x plus 15. After 15 years, Ravi's age will be the equal to present age, mean 4 times his present age. Okay, So we have to equal this one. 4x is equal to x plus 15. If you simplify, this plus x will become this side minus x. 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 15. Both sides divided by 3. 3 cancel. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So x is equal to 5. Hence Ravi's present age is 5 years. Okay. Do practice these two questions. Question number 12 and question number 11. Okay. This is question number 11. Do practice these two questions as a homework. Okay. Question number 11 and question number 12. Take this one as a homework. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.